Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Guerlanda, and I know my voice is kind of gone, but we're gonna continue doing this voiceover for this short little video today, and it's me making my graduation picture dress. The dress is gonna be based off of this dress that's shown on the screen now, and I only used less than 2 yards of fabric for it. So let's get right into the video. So first, all I used was a dress as a pattern for the bottom of the dress, and I just went along and cut the shape of the body out and then elongated it for a it was kind of form fitting, and then it flared out towards the bottom. Now, after that, I'm just going to go ahead and pin the two pieces together. As I stated before, yes, I had less than 1 yard of fabric to make this dress. It was about 1.625 yards of fabric, and I was able to make the dress and also have a little bit more left over. But overall, I like the dress, even though it wasn't as dramatic as I wanted it to be. But it still got the point across. And the next clip is just going to be a sewing ASMR. So after this is how the skirt part of the dress should look. It goes like right under the bust area, like mid stomach, a little under the bust, and a little bit over the belly button. And this was the rest of the fabric I had left to make the top part. I really forgot what I was showing you guys, but I think it was the measurements of how much fabric I had left. But out of that, I cut out these two pieces, one a long rectangle and the other one a lengthened triangle. And those will be the two parts of the top. So one of the parts of the top was like a triangle strap with like a string, and then the other part was like a full shoulder. So it's kind of like a one shoulder moment. And all I did was finish the seams of those and then connect it onto the skirt with my serger. And with both pieces, as I am connecting them, right now I'm pinning them, but as I'm doing that, connecting it to the bottom, I'm also ruching the fabric just so it gives it more of a shape on top of the bust area. So in the next clip coming up, I'm going to show you how it looks connected to the bottoms. So what I initially did to hold that triangle piece up was connect it to the half part of the one that's full shoulder and connected it behind the neck. And then I took the rest of that rectangle part, fitted it to the length it was needed, and then cut it off. So yeah, guys, that was just a short little video I had, and it turned out nice. This was the final look. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe if you did, and turn on those post notifications if you want to see more videos. Oh my gosh, thank you guys. And thanks for all the new subscribers that I got in 2021. I will be pushing out more and new content in 2022. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.